I've been on a challenge to write a 1-minute song. This was not recently, but it wasn't long ago either. And this was my 1-minute song, which I'm going to parlay into a longer song. But it's new, so that's the good news. Brand spanking new. And it's called Pity Party, but the other concept in it is a buggy spell. If you don't know what a buggy spell is, you can ask my dad. Because he said that all through our childhood. He was like, I'm going to have a buggy spell. I was like, holy shit. I don't know what that means. It was bad. When you are sad, everyone's mad. It doesn't take much to make them fall. Life is so cruel. World like a mule. People ask you what happens next. Let's have a little pity party. Let's have a little buggy spell. 'Cause if you have a pity party, then I won't have a buggy spell. I'm sorry for the way I am. It's just the way I am. For I am just the way I am. I'm a leaf and I'm a flower. I am drunk. I am sober. I am just the way I am. And the leaves on the tree are falling. It scares me away to the day that it's falling, and I lose my way. No way, no way. I'll go where the wind takes me. I'm sorry for the way I am. It's just the way I am. I am just the way I am. I'm a leaf and I'm a flower. I am drunk and I am sober. I am just the way I am. My life like a bird that's flying away from its cage. 'Cause the dawn been broken apart from its zoo. It's just the way I am. lying, just the